Please take care of my daughter.
Okay.
Please stay here.
Yes, Mama.
Let's play together.
Hey, guess what is in the cottage? No, no. Oh no! Huh? Wow! Hey! What happened?
I want it.
No!
It's mine.
What happened? Oh my god! Oh no! the dolly and he shook his hat and said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. He wrote on the paper for some pills, pills, pills. I'll be back in the morning if the doll's still ill. Scarlet had a dolly who was sick, sick, sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick, quick, quick.
You're so beautiful.
I'm sorry.
Don't worry. I'm okay.
Okay, thank you.
Oh my god.
Try out.
Oh no!
Try out. Congratulations.
Don't cry, don't cry. Don't cry. Mama! Mommy. What happened? Mommy, I'm sorry. Mommy! No!
Don't start.
Sarako! Oh my god! Oh no!
You will be punished. Yes.
Huh? Hey! No. You ready? Hey!
Wake up.
Hey!
What happened?
Okay. Wake up. Huh? Hey! Okay. Let's go. Yes. Oh no. Let's go. Ow. Oh no. Mama! Oh my god! Mommy! Get out!
Hey, stop.
Mama, it's not like that!
Stay away. Mama.
Mama!
Mama. Sorry. Don't cry, don't cry.
No.
Okay.
This is the way we make a bed, make a bed, make a bed. This is the way we make a bed early in the morning. Make. This is the way we exercise. This is the way we exercise early in the morning. Right, left, right, down, left, up, down, up and down.
Wow! Thank you, Mom. You are so beautiful. Hey, come on. Let's go. Okay. Mommy. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Mama, I love you.
Good.
Bye-bye.
My son. Honey. Why you?
Help me! Oh my god!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay.
Give me back the baby. No! No! Get out! No! Give me back the baby. Never! Give me back the baby. Oh no! Bye-bye. Hey! What
My daughter.
No!
I am your mother.
Stay away from me! Get out! Help me! Stay away from her! Get out! Give me back the baby! Oh my god! Wake up! Hey!
She can't see anymore.
No!
Please help me. Balance with you.
Oh no! You my ass.
Okay.
I love you.
Let's begin.
Yes!
Thank you very much.
Okay, okay.
Follow me.
That's your mother.
Oh no!
Who that?
Ouch!
Mama. I'm sorry. My daughter. I'm sorry.
The three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. What? Lost your mitten, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 then we shall have no pie. The three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Put on the mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie. Meow, 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 then we shall have some pie. The three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up their pie.
You're so beautiful.